Stop. And thank you so much, Ikoyans, that we reached more than 1K subscribers. And then we'll go after that silver play button. This is number 1. In Italian, numero uno. Hello guys! Welcome back to today's new video. My name is Yuna, and this is my brother, Kenji. And welcome back to Yuna and Kenji's Amazing World. And today, we have another mysterious box right here. And I'm confused on who does this box belong to. I think it's mine because Kenji received awesome gifts. But then I found out that the ice cream set was supposed to be mine. So I guess this might be Kenji's. What could be inside of this box? Well, I think it's Legos, but because when I shake it, it does this noise. And yeah, it's time to open it to see if I'm right. Well, I think I know what's inside, but Kenji, what do you think is inside of this box? What color? Yellow car. Well, I guess you think it's crude. Well, the only way to find out is to open it. But I think that these are Legos because no car would do such a noise like this. This, huh? Only Legos. Look, Kenji. Look, there's your choo-choo train. Kenji, there's a choo-choo train. Choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-choo. So basically, this is how the choo-choo train looks like. Excuse me. Okay, now okay, do you want to open it? What's the magic word? Before we open it, this is what we could find inside of here. So basically, there's a boy with a car on his shirt, a girl with a bow, and a cat, a black and white cat, and a train with numbers on it. So with this, we can learn numbers. It's time to open it. He said numbers, that is so cute. He's basically calling all of them numbers. 9! He thinks that counting numbers is basically numbers, 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 numbers. Okay, this is so hard to... There. We can open your numbers. People inside of here, the numbers inside, and the choo-choo train, whatever it is. Okay. Okay, he's excuse me. He's looking at this, and basically how to. Oh, never mind. It's just like split. So Kenji, do you want to fix it? No, Kenji. Chugga chugga choo-choo. Choo-choo. So, I'm building this for my little brother Kenji. He's saying choo-choo. So you have to open this. Okay. Legos, and he's attaching the train. So, wait here. Okay. There. Choo-choo, 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 choo-choo. Kenji, do you want to help me, please? Kenji, do you want to help me?
No.
Kenji, do you want to help me?
No.
Here, where does number 0 go?
Nane.
Kenji?
Nane.
So Kenji, what number is this?
Nane.
This is number 1. This is number 3. Good job. This is number 2. Good job. Well, Kenji, would you help me build it first?
Yeah.
So now, here's the boy and girl that Kenji was really talking about, and the train that we saw on this box. And Kenji, what's this? Kenji, what's this? No, it's not a teacher, but it's a boy. Good job. What's this?
Girl.
Good job. I'm a boy. I'm a
Meow.
girl. Kenji, what is this?
Meow.
It's a cat.
Cat.
It's a little kitty. And Kenji, what is this?
Choo-choo.
It's a train.
Train.
Choo-choo train. And now the kids are gonna sit on the choo-choo train. And Kenji, what's the cat's color?
Black.
Good job. But what's the boy's hair color? Good job.
Choo-choo-choo-choo-choo.
Kenji, do you want the boy? Let's put the boy and the girl inside of the train. There's a boy inside of the train. Oh, it doesn't fit. Yay, it actually does. There's a kid inside of the train. Choo choo. Chugga 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 chugga. Choo choo. So now guys, it's time to learn numbers. This one is number 0. In Italian, numero 0. This is number 1. In Italian, numero 1. This is number 2. In Italian, numero 2. This is number 3. In Italian, numero 3. Very similar, right? I guess kinda. This is number 4. Even the name has 4 letters. And in Italian, numero 4. This is number 5. In Italian, numero 5. This is number 6. In Italian, numero 6. This is number 7. In Italian, numero 7. This is number 8. In Italiano, numero 8. This is number 9. In Italian, numero 9. And since we don't have a 10 here, I guess we'll just have to put together the number 1 and 0, and then we'll have the number 10. And in Italian, numero 10. So now, Kenji, it's time for you to learn. The viewers already know how to count, and you still do not. I guess it's up to me to teach you. Guys, I'm so happy that Kenji finally received one toy, and I'm so happy now that I have the right materials to teach him the numbers. And I'm so happy that he knows the colors and what they are, and now he's tearing it apart. But still, I'm happy too, even though it's not mine. But still, I predicted 1-1! Yes! So guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Remember that this was surprises, and always pray to Jesus. And thank you so much, Ecalians, that we reached more than 1K subscribers. And then we'll go after that silver play button, and then after the golden play button, and then maybe the diamond play button. And I'm so excited that we could come to that point. But still, You're so